Hey guys, this is Jesse at Code Assist, and this is the 5th video in my app customization series. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to enable and configure timers on your relevant CPR fields. You'll notice I have timers set up on my CPR and Epi buttons. And notice that my Epi timer counts down from 3 minutes, my CPR compression timer counts down from 2 minutes, and my CPR rest timer counts up from 0. To see how that was done and help you understand how you can tailor the timers to suit your needs, let's hop on over to the customization page. I'm going to start with the Epi timer since that's simpler. You'll see here, under the Epi subsection, there's a toggle switch to turn on or off the timer for this button. By turning it off, my Epi button preview reflects the fact that I'm no longer using a timer. So let's turn that back on. Now, when you enable a timer on a button, the default operation is a stopwatch-like timer, meaning it counts up from 0. This is great if you just want to know how long it's been since you've pressed that button. And notice that regardless of your timer mode, the alarms for visual and audible notifications are still available for use. Now, while a stopwatch is great, some people prefer to see how much time is remaining until you need to press that button again. For that, we enable the second toggle switch to convert it from a stopwatch to a countdown timer. When you set a timer into countdown mode, you must specify the duration of the countdown timer in seconds. So since my Epi interval is 3 minutes, I have that timer set to 180 seconds. Now let's hop back over to the app and see where my Epi timer is to demonstrate how that works. Okay, so we're almost at the end of my Epi interval. Let's watch as it counts down to 0. Alright, you see that the timer has reached 0 and that now it begins counting in the negative direction. It will do so until I press the button again when it restarts to 3 minutes. So back in the Customize page, you can see the process for enabling a timer on Defib is identical to what we just did on Epi. The only difference for CPR timer is that there are different settings for both the compression timer and the rest timer, which allows for different behaviors like I highlighted before. Now you may have noticed that the Epi and the CPR buttons changed colors based on the state and the time. This is done through the use of the alarms feature, which will be the topic of my next video. So check that out if you want to learn more.